Hey you guys, it's Tika. Welcome to Tika Time. All right, so today we're gonna talk about not having a lot of friends. Maybe you're out there thinking, I wish I had more friends. How do we do that? Okay, I got you. I'm like insta best friends with everybody, including you. How does that happen? Like, how do you become close with somebody quicker? Because you're like, I don't wanna waste all of high school and finally make my best friend like senior year, second semester, you know? You want to have great experiences in high school, great memories that you're making, and of course you need other people to do that. And also to learn. Gosh, there's really nothing you should be doing. Literally, who cares about academics? I know. I'm crazy to say that because I'm an academic coach and tutor. All you need is Tika. Literally, I can teach you a full week of math in 1 hour, okay? So if you ever are struggling, lean on Tika for all of that. Your job though, what I can't do for you is make you have relationships, you know, or be there with you, talking you through how to have a successful relationship or make friends. That is what you need to do. You want to have a really great, successful life with good relationships that are helping you grow and become the best you, along with your family. You want to also make friends. First, always become best friends with your family, okay? Number one thing, become best friends with your brother. Yeah, that's what I said. And your sister, okay? That is your number one priority. And your parents, all right? Yes, there's an age gap. Yes, there's a generational gap. And that's exactly what you need. Because you guys think like you're right about everything. I know, I was there, I remember. But you haven't experienced things yet. You know, you haven't met adults yet that you're working with, and you know, you haven't lived a career yet. So all of these things, a marriage, right? Did I mention that? Marriage, oh my gosh, huge. All of that takes time and experience to grow and learn. And you have people that you're living with that have that experience. Why not talk to them about it? This would be really great before you go to college, because remember, when you're in college, everybody you're gonna be with is you. They're the same, you know? Towards the end of college, you know, kids will start going in different directions, but at least the first couple years, you know, you guys are kind of like just trying to get through gen eds. A lot of you might not know what career path you're going. A lot of you might know, and then you're changing it. You know, it's all in flux. But the main thing is, you know, everybody's going there with not their full tribe of friends, and they're trying to make friends, and everybody's kind of green, right? Right now, when you're at home, you have this awesome situation and parents that you can learn from and grow from for free. So do it. So anyway, making friends is very easy when you treat everybody like they're your best friend already. Like, jump over all of the trivial commonality, like between like somebody you meet new, like, hey, what's your name kind of thing. No, don't. Get out of that. Immediately, you need to just be like, hey, gosh, what are you doing today? Treat people like you're already best friends with them. What do I mean by that? Like, just skip all of the like small talk, okay? Just go in deep. Like, just start talking to somebody, you know, and ask them a question, you know? That's a great way to start a conversation. And then find something that is similar. Like if you're like, just don't know somebody and, you know, hey, do you know where this class is? And they'll be like, oh, I think, you know, down this hallway, blah, blah, blah. And then maybe they're like, what major are you? Or something. And maybe you have that in common. Or some, you know, that there will be like a natural, there just might be some natural conversation that just gets started. But you got to keep going. Look for things that you can relate with that person, not your differences. And I think a lot of times people approach people and immediately all you see are differences within these people. But that's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to be making friends with your similarities. Now, differences add to a relationship, but it's the similarities that bring us together, okay? So think about things that you might have in common with that person and capitalize on that. And then, like, it's so cool if you've got friendships in different cultures or, you know, different religions. Like, we are so grateful to live in this country to have that, because I'm just telling you, like, when you go to India, when I'm in India, everybody's the same. And it's so boring. So I just love also living in this country, because this is like the one country in the whole world that is so diverse. And not only with just, you know, race, culture, religion, but just like even state to state, people are so different, you know? And anyway, it's just really cool. I just love this human experience. And I think you guys just need to try and figure out how to connect with somebody. So always try and find similarities, okay? And build off of those. So remember, just treat everybody you meet like they're already your best friends. They already love you. There's nothing to feel embarrassed or vulnerable or insecure about, because they're already your best friend and they love you, right? So look at everybody. Look at everybody with that lens in life. And I will tell you, you're gonna have a good one. Make sure to go to Carpe Diem Academics, grab my ACT SAT course. It would be perfect if you guys are juniors right now. Even sophomores, it's never too early to get started, because there's a lot of information in it that I cover. It's a 12-hour course, and you are welcome to watch it and rewatch it. So it's there for you and to help you just really feel confident about the last 6 years of academics. And I feel like I do a really good job. I've been doing it for so long, with just making sure you guys understand everything. And it's like a great thing, even if you're like, whatever, I don't know if I really need my ACT, SAT. It's such a great course just to like seal the deal before you go to college, okay? There's gonna be a lot of expectations they have of you to know already. One of the biggest investments you could ever make with all this money, my course is pennies compared to that. So it's just such a great tool to get you ready for college, okay? All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.